Here's the new Boyne turn signal repair kit switch installed. It's this red part right here. And these are the ears that sort of lock the turn signal in place. So for instance, if I turn there, you see the turn signal flashing right there. Now what's actually doing the latching is this little piece right here. This little arm here is the canceling cam. When the steering wheel turns, for instance, it's on a right turn right now, but when the steering wheel comes back this way, it's going to push on that, which releases the cam. It catches on a special, like little arrowhead shaped piece molded into the original white base. So it also works in the other direction. Currently it's not flashing. I think I have a bulb out in the back, so I just got to get a new bulb in there. But very exciting because I've had this car since 1980. I've had this car for 40 years, and the turn signals always worked when I held them down in place, but they never latched. So that's a very nice upgrade to the car.